Hi and welcome to HTD Gaming, and today I'm gonna show you how to install the Minecraft Snapshot 12 week, and yeah, that's it. Okay, what you want to do is download the client, or you want to play on the server with friends. You can download the server, but I don't. Then you have the Minecraft.jar. Just go there. Then you go do like your Windows. Yeah, no, just do that one. Type in %app data enter. You can get a roaming map, Minecraft bin, and then just put your Minecraft.jar in here. Open Minecraft, login, Mojang. There you have it, and create a new world like blah. So I have a creative article. Survive. Wait. Bonus chest on. World types flat, large biomes. Structures on. Create new world. Win. There you have it. Yeah. We're gonna do this. Whoa, wait. I didn't notice. Huh. Nice, but we're gonna do Mo and I gonna do videos from Minecraft 3.1 or something like that, and we're doing tutorials of this, and yeah, that's how you install it, and hope you like it, and see you on the channel, I think. I hope. Okay, bye.